everyone, and welcome back to my more report analysis videos on Monday 13th of March with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at cable now, and we've just started to see a bit of a turnaround in this outlook on cable near term. We've seen this sort of downtrend moving lower, series of bear candles, but you've started to now see that trend break. Doji candle on Thursday, followed by a positive move on Friday, and then again we're looking to draw gains today. Now, is this sort of the building of support at 121.35? I think it might be near term. It sort of could see a bit of a sort of reaction rally. 23 figure is a basis of resistance, but generally the big breakdown resistance came at 23.45. So area of overhead supply between 23 figure 23.45 I think is sort of around about where we could see a rally moving into, and sort of moving back above the trading of the last few days, or the highs of the last few days. I think that sort of starts to turn the outlook around very slightly near term. You can see this improvement on the hourly chart, whereby 21.95, a bit of a sort of base breakout. It's returned towards that to find a basis of support. You could see that being a bit of a neckline. You'd measure sort of 60 ticks or so from the 21.35, so you'd measure that up towards sort of 22.50 area, and again 22.50 area is a bit of a near-term pivot, being an old support, being a sort of old support area. So 21.50 isn't certainly not. 22.50 is certainly not to be unexpected, and we've already seen 22.40. So there is the possibility of a bit of a near-term turnaround, sort of trading above all the near-term hourly moving averages. The momentum indicators on the hourly moving up. RSI sort of above 60. MACD is more positive. So there is possibly, if you can see cable holding above that sort of 22 figure area, I think possibility of a bit of a near-term break to the upside, and a bit of a recovery play back towards sort of 22.50, 23 figure area. But I'd still be using rallies as a chance to sell, because I think cable is going to be continuing to track lower. But for now, I think the sort of selling pressure has finished, and we could see a bit of a tick higher, but generally would be looking out for that as being a sell opportunity. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again later. Thank you.